In this video, I'm going to show you how to very easily build your own watch list inside of our stock volatility box platform. To create your own watch list, you need to head over to the Watchlist tab. You can also click the icon and that will take you directly to Watchlist. Start by giving your watch list a name, and this name needs to be unique. You cannot name it S&P 100, you cannot name it ETFs only, and in my case, I cannot name it liquid tickers since I've already named a watch list liquid tickers. So let's give this a new name. I'll call this, let's say, sector ETFs, just as an example here. So I'm going to click create. Now I've created a new sector watch list, and that you can see down here says list created, and I can also see that here sector ETFs. Now inside of this, I'd like to add all of the different sector ETFs that I want as part of this watch list. So I'll say XLK, XLY, XLB, XLC, XLF, XLP, XLRE, XL, what, P, did I already get XLP? I did. XLV. Let's use that as an example for right now. And I'm going to click add. Now I've added all 8 of these. I'm missing a few more of the sectors, but we can use this as an example for right now. So I've now created this new watch list. If I was to refresh this page, I would see that no symbols is gone and sector ETS is a new watch list that I have. Now what can I do with this watch list? Well, there's a couple things you can do. First, you can come inside of your live scanner and you can load that watch list in to immediately filter down to just trades that were inside of your watch list. So now I see just the sector trades or the sectors that I've added in directly inside of my scanner. This makes it very easy for you to see just the SPY sectors whenever volatility is picking off. And it also makes it very easy to recognize what does that volatility look like. Is it more bullish? Is it more bearish? The second place that you can load in your watch list is inside of the indicator generator. So if we come inside of the indicator generator, you'll see a column called your watch list, and there I have a watch list called sector ETFs. If I was to click the plus symbol, I can see all of the symbols inside of this watch list, and if I click generate, that will automatically input those symbols and generate 4 indicator files ready for me to import directly inside of ThinkOrSwim, which you've already learned how to do in our indicator generator video. So the watch list is a very easy way to focus on just the symbols that you care about. Seems like a very simple feature, but it's one which will help you narrow down your live scanner to something much more manageable. If there's symbols you don't like to trade, you don't like to short, or maybe you only trade a handful of symbols, just create a watch list, and that helps you really stay focused throughout the trading day instead of being distracted with all symbols when you might not trade 90+% of them. That's the whole purpose of the watch list. Now in our next video, I'm going to show you how to use our short interest scanner. The short interest scanner is quite useful for those of you who are momentum traders and for those of you who are a little bit more on the swing trading style. There's some neat updates that we've made which incorporate some of the filters that I discussed in our scanner, so I'll show you how to use those to find both bullish and bearish short interest trades. See you in the next video.